Okay guys, here I am. I'm gonna do another carpet bonding. Then show you what I got right here. These are the colors that I'm gonna use on this carpet. One of these two colors. In order to do that, I'm gonna have to change this um, attachment of the machine. You see it right here. So that is where the cement, with this little bonding edge go into this piece right here, all the way to this side. So here's where the carpet go in. You just go in, and then the needle does whatever the needle has to do. Okay, so and this is the piece for the bonding that I have, which is that one. So different widths on bonding is different attachment. Okay guys, the piece is on right there. That's good. It's ready. This is the Andy that I'm gonna do on these stairs. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do right now. So I still have the old carpet on the stairs, which that's the old carpet. Okay, but this is the piece that I have, and I'm gonna try to put it on top of the old one, just to double check that the carpet that I already cut is good before I put the bonding on it. So this piece is gonna be right there. Could be bad if I do the bonding and then I find out when I put the carpet in here that is different size. You see right there? So I'm gonna do the bonding on. And I see that's good. And I'm gonna do the bonding on it. Alright guys, I'm ready to do the bonding on this carpet right here. Now this carpet is so rough, it's very hard, and this machine is small, it's portable bonding machine, it's not commercial. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna use this heat gun to try to make it soft carpet, so my bonding machine can, or the needle, go through the carpet so easy, so I don't have to I don't got trouble on it if I use my bonding machine like that. I just know hit it on the carpet. we put bonding on this carpet, on this hard carpet. So I'm gonna give you a different view. You see, there is where we're gonna do the bonding, right there, all the way. That's in the inside of the piece too. So that side is the steps that goes to the bottom. That side is the steps that go to the top. So keep doing this. Okay, there is a corner. And this is what we call a zigzag. What I like about this machine is that I got the option to do zigzag, which is all the way to the number 5. There is a zigzag, and the 0 is the stitching is. Let me show you that. You see, number 0 is on line, in line. Just make a straight stitching, and I like better on this one. And then, guys, when I get into this point that I already do the size with bonding, this is the back of the carpet, the bottom side. These ones, these corners, those corners with this machine, I mean, we can't do it if we don't cut it like that. I'm gonna show you. I had to do cut up there. I had to do cut right here, so I can put the machine to do the bonding in this and this side, and that one too. Not with this machine, it's not. I mean, I say it's not possible because it's too small. And I mean, industrial machines probably, commercial machines probably, but not this one. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut this right here, and I'm gonna show you later what I'm gonna do next. Okay, guys, the piece is done. You see right there. That's why I use that piece with aluminum to make it nice. Right here, it just won't come up. Like you see, I'm doing pressure on it. So at the end I just do this so I can trim just whatever pieces come up from the cut. So this with my finger, with my hand, or with scissors, and the piece is ready to go into the stairs. All the carpet for the all the bonding is done. So the carpet is ready to go to the stairs, but it's time to take the old carpet out. Remember when I say the barber carpet lasts forever? So this carpet is nice, still looking so nice, still looks new. But you get at one point where you see the carpet for years and it's time to say goodbye to the carpet. Either if the carpet still looks in nice condition, you see. And now there's no way to save this carpet, guys. As soon as I start to ripping out with this pliers, look, I got a lot of staples because we did this carpet probably a couple years ago. We did it, and now it's time for us to take it up. So if you think that you're gonna rip out your carpet from the stairs and you're gonna put it back the same carpet, no, it's not possible, because you're gonna rip it up, carpet's gonna come off in pieces. You see, we use a lot of staples. It's very important to use pliers, because there's a lot of staples. Okay guys, this is what I'm talking about when I say if you take the carpet off of the stairs, you won't be able to use that carpet back. It's damaged. It's not good anymore. So forget. Okay guys, I start after cleaning everything nice. That's ready for carpet. You see how this is clean and nice. Okay guys, I am about to start to put the carpet on these stairs. There is the roll. And I already did the landing. The landing is done. You see. So I just had to do these steps and the bottom steps. We got progress, guys. Okay guys, we finally done after 2 days. So this carpet at the end looks so beautiful. We have a really hard time to install this carpet because it's cold outside, and when we put the carpet inside it's still hard. But we put the heat on and we did it. The stairs, you see right there, they finally done. Takes me forever to finish them, couple hours. So right there all the way to the top. Okay. So if you guys have installers that they are doing some carpet job on your stairs, just let me give you a little tip that you need to make sure the installation is good. Most of the times these no, that part of the steps has to, I mean, not most of the time, that thing has to be really nice finish, really tight right here, right here. Same with this corner right here. Those two others has to be really tacked by the corner, so you can make it like a line on it. So if you got a carpet installation on your house, you need to make sure that those are really tacked, so it can keep the form of the stair. You see? Okay guys, so that's it from me. Thumbs up, subscribe, comments down below. Let me know what else you need to know, or what would you like me to put on the video, some about the carpet installation, or some questions that you have. Thank you guys.